Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install AVG 2019. Yes, that is correct. We are getting to the end of the year again, and everyone is starting to release their latest version of antivirus. To start off with, all you need to do is head on over to the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to click on free download. And you need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, you now need to run the setup file. You now need to untick install AVG secure browser unless you would like to install their new web browser. I don't want to because I am happy with Firefox. We can now go ahead and press install, and it will begin to download the rest of AVG and then install. Once the install has finished, you can now go ahead and press continue, and you can now go no thanks. And there we go. As you can see, our Windows computer is 100% protected by AVG Antivirus 2019, and it really is that easy. If you want to do a scan on your computer because you think you might have a virus, then all you need to do, that is correct, just click on this big green button that says Scan Computer, and it will begin to scan your entire computer for any malware or viruses. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, smash that like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.